We understand the Windows Server or Windows PC has a service called the Volume Shadow Copy service. This one can create a shadow copy, use the current storage so you can keep multiple versions of the file. So I'm going to show you how to enable this one on your current drive. For example, the files on the C drive you want to keep multiple versioning. Okay, so here you right click the drive and pick up properties in shadow copies here. Then you can enable the volume you want have the shadow copy service. Once you enable it, so you can check the setting and how big size the space you are going to use for shadow copies. So most likely Windows will keep the longest version as long as the space is allowed, right? So if the space is full, then it will start cleaning the oldest copy and create new copies. And in the scheduling, you can see the current schedule is 7 a.m. every day. Then if you want multiple copy as well, so you can create a new schedule and make it every day. So that means you have multiple schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that way, and once you enable the shadow copy, then uh, in the event you want to restore or recover a folder or file to the previous version, you can right click the properties and choose previous version. Then you can here you can see today there's a 10 o'clock version, 10:50 version, and you can open or you can restore it. You can restore to the original location or to another location, or you can open to view what's in there. Okay, so this is how do you enable the shared copy and use the shared copy in Windows Server and the workstations.